In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently transfer your cryptocurrency from your Earn wallet to your Spot wallet on Binance. Whether you're looking to trade or simply manage your digital assets, knowing how to transfer your funds within your Binance account is an essential skill. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you need to log into your Binance account. Head over to the Binance website or open the Binance app on your mobile device. Enter your credentials with care, ensuring they're correct to bypass any potential login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is the launchpad for all your transactions. Next, from the navigation menu at the top of the screen, hover over or tap on the wallet section. As you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. You'll want to select Earn from this list. The Earn wallet on Binance is where you hold cryptocurrencies that are staked or earning interest. This step takes you directly to your Earn wallet, displaying all the assets that are actively accumulating interest. Now, browse through the list of cryptocurrencies displayed on your screen and locate the specific crypto that you wish to transfer. Each asset will typically show the amount you have available and the interest it's accruing. Once you've identified the crypto you want to move, look for an option that says Transfer to Spot. Clicking on it will open a transfer interface. In the transfer interface, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to move. You can transfer all of it or just a portion, depending on your needs. Make sure to double check the amount you've entered, as this ensures you're transferring exactly what you intend to. Accurate entry here is crucial for maintaining precise control over your assets. After entering the amount, you'll see a button to confirm the transfer. Go ahead and click on Confirm. This action authorizes the transfer from your Earn wallet to your Spot wallet. It's a good practice to review a summary of the transaction, if available, to reiterate the amount and the cryptocurrencies involved in the transfer. Once confirmed, your crypto will appear in your Spot wallet almost instantly. The Spot wallet is where you can manage your assets for trading or withdrawal. You can verify the success of this transfer by checking your Spot wallet balance, ensuring that the amount you transferred has landed safely and correctly. And just like that, you've successfully moved your crypto from the Earn wallet to the Spot wallet. Remember, managing assets on Binance should always be done carefully and responsibly. Be sure to keep your login details secure and verify all transactions. With these steps, you have completed the transfer efficiently, and you're now ready to use your cryptocurrency as you see fit. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.